Here I just want to show you a little bit more how you can focus on texture and what different type of texture you can create use on your clay landscapes. So here I've got a little bit of a cloth I'm using for mark making by just pressing it down, some letter stamps, and just looking at all the different things I can do on there. So here I'm going to carve out, looking a little bit of reduction carving on there. By getting some areas slightly carved out. Don't carve too deep so you don't get a hole. So here I want to do addition, just adding a little piece of thin clay. I'm scoring a little bit of slip, so scratch, slip and press it down to make sure that it's really stuck together. So here I'm adjusting it to the area I want to put it on. Pressing nicely to make sure there's no air bubble trapped and that it's nicely bound to the surface on here. Okay, so here I'm going to use different tools. This is kind of a rolling tool that makes different marks. Here a cotton bobbin, just experimenting with what I've got on here to get different mark making experiments on there. Here I'm just carrying on with the addition technique, scratching, slip and sticking those tiny little balls to create texture on my tile as well. That might be useful in your landscape. So you can use the textures I'm creating as a starting point, but I would really like you very much to create your own textures as well, so we've got a really original outcome on here. So here just looking at the rest of the tools, so I've got like a little circles, a Lego piece as well that's making some different types of marks on here, just trying to get my marks as varied and interesting as possible on here.